Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Why do you need water to flush a toilet during a hurricane? Toilets need a rapid influx of water to the bowl to induce the siphon action that sweeps the waste into the sewer. The tank then refills more slowly until it is ready for the next flush.
Take our lead.
Fill your bathtub full of water. This is an old standby for emergency preparations. Fill your bathtub up with water before the storm hits. The water can be used to flush toilets, clean dishes, or it can be purified and used as extra drinking water. 7 September 2017.
Make your mark, take our lead.
1. Fill your bathtub with water, unless you have little children. This water can be used for drinking, washing, and flushing the toilet. Water supplies are often compromised by hurricanes and either become undrinkable or stop flowing. 27 August 2011.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.